So for dinner, I got something special. Got king crab legs. Last winter, I went up to Nome with my son Nathan, and we caught king crab through the ice. I've got this little jar with garlic and butter in it. Just kind of loosen the lid, sit that right by the fire. Look at the size of that crab leg. Oh, that was so warm and delicious. When you cook the crabs over the fire too, it makes their shells brittle. Makes it a lot easier to shell them. You just use your hands. You gotta eat quick. Things cool off really quick around here.